The time in Central Europe is 10 o'clock. You are tuned into the free radio service Holland. It's December 22nd. Welcome along. Great you have tuned in always on one of our frequencies to be part of our seasonal broadcast, which will last until 1500 hours Central European time. That's 1400 hours GMT in Great Britain and Ireland. Shortwave entertainment with music, radio-related items, and much more. So, stay tuned to the free radio service Holland.
You're tuned to FRS Holland with a special seasonal broadcast.
Hoist the anchor and join us as we set sail on a 5-hour journey. Feel the magic of December in and on the air. Savor the atmosphere and let the waves of music and stories carry you. Welcome aboard of the MV Emirates Holland. No, I don't know.